Check out our newest funnel and website builder update. We have a new and amazing block editor. This new feature significantly enhances the user experience, making it easy to customize your website and your funnels with an intuitive and powerful editing feature. This is going to help you enhance all of that amazing customization because now you can apply custom fonts to highlighted text. Now you're also going to be able to improve visibility and usability. Features like subscript and superscript options and dedicated bullet list sections streamlines the editing process. And now there is also AI integration built right in. Now you can use generative AI to help improve your writing, fix spelling issues, and adjust that text length easily. This has a ton of practical use. Obviously, we're editing our websites and our funnels often. Now, when you create a landing page for your online course, you can quickly apply custom fonts to key highlights, use bullet points for clear presentation, and refine your text using an AI tool. This is going to ensure a professional and engaging funnel or website. Let me show you exactly where this is and what these new features look like. First, we need to be in sites, and then for this example, we're going to be in funnels, although this works in websites as well. So either create a new funnel or edit an existing one. Now, because we're in funnels, we are going to access a funnel step. To do that, you'll select the funnel step you want to edit and you'll click Edit. Now from there, let's go ahead and make sure that we've got a row added. So you will click the plus icon, then sections, then rows. Now we're going to go ahead and add those text elements in. So that is going to be under Elements and then Text. Now you can access the new block editor. So simply highlight your text and go ahead and choose the fonts directly. Now you can edit those fonts with bold, underline, or hyperlinks. You can also add custom values and subscripts and superscripts. You can utilize the heading in a subheading element. You can customize those bullets. This feature dramatically improves the efficiency and ease of customizing your website and your funnels, elevating your overall user experience, and I'm going to take that a little bit farther and say your design. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.